What's going on, everybody? Jeremy here with MarineMax Nisswa and Crosslake. That's right, we are standing in our newest location on the Crosslake and Whitefish Chain. We're at the formerly CNC Boatworks, which has now joined forces and joined the MarineMax family. We're super excited to make that announcement to all you here. We're here on the Crosslake chain. We just wanted to give everybody a little sense of what we got going on here on the channel here. As you can see, we got a couple boats on display on the Wave Armor docks. Come over here, let me show you and take a look at what we got going on here. One of the beauties of being on the chain, on the water, is at any given moment's notice, we can set a pontoon on this Wave Armor port or a Cobalt or any type of a runabout boat and go for a quick demo ride. So if you like something, you see something, you're on your way up to the cabin, we can dump a boat in here, go for a quick test drive, and for example, this Premier PTX, and really see what the performance is on some of these tri-tune boats or this beautiful Cobalt over here to my right. So we have our demo dock here at all times. Now we're gonna go check out the other side of the docks where we can get your boat fueled up. Over here at the gas dock, of course, the gas dock has been here since the 50s on the Crosslake chain. One thing that is awesome here, there's plenty of docking space. If there's somebody fueling up, you got plenty of room to go on deck to get your boat fueled. One new thing that we just put in today is a self-serve fuel dock station. We will have extended hours, so not just when we're open from 8 to 5, but we will have extended hours where you can fill your boat up, pay at the pump. It's going to be very convenient for you here at the new Crosslake location from MarineMax. All right, here we are. Once you fill your boat up with gas, park it at the docks, come and take a look at what we got for inventory. You're gonna find out here we have a beautiful selection of the all-new Barletta pontoons, starting from the Aria to the Cabrio, all the way up to the Corsa and Lusso models. We have plenty to choose from here in our display area outside, and we have about 10 to 12 boats inside. So a great selection of pontoons. And then we also stick our premium used inventory out here. We have an excellent detail team that works tirelessly to get the boats nice and clean. So a 10-year-old boat looks like a 1 to 2-year-old boat, I can assure you that. We've got a couple nice used Cobalts over here, as you can see. And then back over here, we got some Nautiques. We have the full line of the Nautique ski and wake boats, Barletta pontoons, Cobalt, and Premier pontoons. So that's a quick look at the outside display area. All right, as you come in from the lakeside and the lawn, when you're filling your boat up with gas, you can park it, pick out some new life jackets. At the Crosslake location, we have an insane amount of options on accessories, tubes, tube ropes, kid life jackets, comp vests, you name it, surfboards. Everything is fully stocked at all times. Definitely would want to take advantage of this when you're making a quick stop here on the lake with our accessories department. Check it out. And now we're on the dock in the showroom where we're wrapping it up just to show you a little bit of the display area inside. At any given time, we have about 12 to 15 boats inside of here. Right now we have our Barletta pontoon selection on display. That's just a quick glimpse of what we got going on here at the MarineMax Crosslake facility. Hope to see you. Pull up your boat, get some gas, get some fuel, grab a couple extra life jackets for the kiddos, and we'll see you here on the water here at MarineMax Crosslake.